So we are a financial services company. We specialize in tax-effective wealth management solutions. We have over 50,000 members, and we also have partners such as financial advisors and funeral directors. My name's Adrian Elston, and I'm head of brand, marketing and sales strategy at KeyInvest. Well, the problems that we were facing when I reached out in the clouds was that basically we didn't have a CRM at all. So that meant that a lot of the activity that we were doing was very manual in nature and uncoordinated between our sales, our service, and our marketing activities. The implementation of Salesforce has completely changed our capabilities as a business. It has opened up a world of possibilities in terms of our communication channels to very different audiences, from our members who have very different and unique needs, as well as our partners like financial advisors and funeral directors, who have very different levels of understanding when it comes to financial services. So our ability to communicate them in a way that resonates with them in the right place is just, completely changed. From an ROI perspective, the biggest tangible improvements from our perspective is actually our ability to attribute our activity and our effort and resources to outcomes. We just weren't in a position to do that previously, and now, by being able to measure the activities that we're doing, we can actually allocate our time and resources far more effectively and optimize and improve on that. The team's feedback has been very positive since implementing Salesforce. I think everybody can see that the journey that we're on, we still have a seemingly infinite amount of work to do, but everyone can see where we're headed and how it benefits not just ourselves, but also our members. And as I've mentioned, just completely, it's a game changer for us in terms of our capabilities. Our experience working with out in the clouds has been excellent. The support throughout the process and since actually has been really, really positive, especially when I'd say in helping us understand what it is that we're using and how to get the most out of it. But I think also in terms of taking the time to understand us as a business. We are quite unique, and and what we do for our members is quite unique. So helping us customize everything to our fairly, bespoke needs has been really, really positive.